Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to create the products table and the model and migration for the products table in Laravel 8 e-commerce. So let's get started with it. So I'll open the code and here is a simple structure which I have created. So these are the columns we will be adding in the products table. So let's get started with it. So first we'll create a migration over here. Go to the terminal, say PHP artisan make migration, create products table, hit enter. So let us go to the database folder inside migrations and here it is. So you can check products table and the name will appear here also. You can just verify it, save, and I'll just close the terminal. So we'll create this column names. Yes, so ID will be given by default here. So next thing we are going to create is the category ID. This will be, let me say, big increments. Yes, and here the name will be category ID. Oops, it's not increments. Okay, so it's going to be integer, big integer category ID, and copy and paste. This will be string and this will be the product name, copy and paste. This will be small description. Here you can make it to medium text. Yes, and for the main description you can keep it to large text because we'll have a lot of data over here. So say long text. So next what we have is the original price, that will be the string. Say original price, and then the selling price. Next we have the image, so say image, or let me give product image, or it's fine, you can keep image itself. Next is going to be quantity and then the tags. Okay, and then they are going to give the status going to be tiny int. So let's keep tiny int. Yeah, here it is, tiny integer of status. Why is this so many s over here? Yeah, tags, status is done. Similarly trending, that is also going to be a tiny integer. This will be trending status. Next what we have is meta title, keywords and description. So we'll keep medium text for that. Just copy this thing and paste. Okay, yeah, it's going to be more clear for you. So after trending, it is meta title, meta keywords and the meta description. Okay, save. So if you want to add any extra columns here, you can just add it by yourself. I just require the basic things and I think everything is given here: price, description, name, category ID. Yeah, this will do. So let me just make it full screen, save, and now let us migrate this to our database. So new terminal and say PHP artisan migrate, hit enter, and this table has been migrated. So you can check in your database, it will be migrated. Now let us create a model here. Let me say first clear. Okay, so say PHP artisan make model. Just check in which folder we have kept our previous thing, app, models, and directly we have the category model, right? So we can directly create the product model also here. So make sure it is in the capital P and singular. Okay, product. Hit enter and model created successfully. You can just verify it over here. It's your product.php. So save this and close the terminal. Here we are going to specify our table name, protected $table, within single quotes say products, and protected $fillable. Here we are going to specify the field names which we are going to insert. So here we need the category ID, say cat ID, comma, copy and paste, add a semicolon over here first, category ID, name, and small, or you can just copy and paste it from here itself. I will make it double windows and close this thing. Yeah, so to save time you can just copy and paste. Description, paste. So I'll just finish all this. Okay, so we are done with it. We have pasted all the fields over here. Just close this thing, save, and close it, and close this thing. Now we are going to create the route so that we can just first fetch that. So first let us add it in the sidebar. Okay, just zoom it. Yes, go to the resources, views, layouts, includes sidebar. Here this thing we have, right, the categories and add category. I'm just going to copy that and paste it. Yeah, so here instead of category I'm going to say products, and in this URL I'm going to say products. So just make this simple changes. Add products, add products, add products. Okay, so I think it's done. Save. Let us check the dashboard, refresh, and here it is, products and add products. So when you click products, all the products we are going to fetch, and when we add product we are going to select which category we are going to insert. So let us make that first. Go here, say route get products. Here call your controller. So we don't have a controller for the product thing, right? So let us just comment this out and create a controller for that. New terminal, say PHP artisan make controller, and inside the admin folder we need it. Okay, so close app http controllers. Inside the admin folder we need the product controller. So for that, say controller admin slash product controller. Hit enter and controller created successfully. Let us directly call it over here. First we need to import it here. Just copy the category and paste category controller and rename the controller name. So product controller, copy that name, and here product controller class, comma, call the method name. So first we'll keep it at index, add a semicolon at the end, copy the function name and go to the product controller. Inside this we'll be creating a function. Function yeah, and paste it over here. Remove this and say return view. Here you can see we had the admin category index, right? Similarly, we'll be having the admin products index. Okay, we'll just create this directory now. Go inside this and resources, views, admin category folder, right? So we are going to create a similarly a product folder. Say product, hit enter. Inside that, new file, index.blade.php. Similarly, like we had done for this thing, right? The category we had fed the data and shown. So just copy that thing and paste it inside the product. This is nothing but just they are inheriting the main template, and we are just showing the data in a tabular structure. So here we had sent the category data, so we will be sending the product data now. Say $products equal to product model. So because we don't have any data in that database, so it will obviously return the empty value, but we'll just pass it for now, and when we add data it is going to be displaying over here. So inside the compact function, pass this products, save. So yeah, copy that, and here we have this thing, right? Admin category, admin product. It's not yes. Okay, yeah. So if your path is correct, you will get an underline like this. So when you press Ctrl and click on it, it will take you to that file. So just paste this thing over here, $products, and yeah, these things will be having over here also. So it's not going to give an issue, but this image is going to say the path is not found. So let's not focus on this now, and we will just insert the category. I mean insert a product and check. So copy and paste route get of add product. Here we'll call the function as add. Copy that, go to your product controller, create a public function add. Here we are going to return a template here, return view, and that will be admin dot product dot add. Okay, so go to your resources, views, admin products, and create a file over here. Say add.blade.php. Here we will be having the form to add the product. So let us not waste time and just copy it from the category thing, as the time is getting extended. So I'll just copy this and edit this form itself. So here instead of add category, I'm going to say add product, save, and this thing we'll just change it. Oops, insert product. So first let us check the form. So we have the name, and category ID also is required here, guys. So for that we need a drop down. So inside this row, just create a column md12 dot column md12. So this is nothing but a bootstraps class for the responsiveness, and here we need a drop down. So I'm going to say select. Okay, I'll just get this design quickly from getbootstrap.com. I'll go here, getbootstrap.com, docs. Here we're going to say select box. Okay, here it is. Just copy and paste. Okay, so this thing we are going to say select a category, remove that and say value, leave it empty. Okay, and remove the rest thing, leave only one thing over here, as we will be fetching the category names over here. So go one step back to the controller and $category, oops, $category equal to category model all. Okay, so we'll pass this thing here, a compact function, paste, and go to the add thing. Here you need to use a for each loop. Say for each and paste the name over here. So it was $category as $item or $row, whatever you can keep. I just leave it like that and paste inside this, paste this option inside the for each loop. Here what we are going to give is the category ID. So $item of ID will be its value, and the title what is going to be displayed over there, we are going to keep the name of that. So $item of name. Okay, save and give a name for this. Select tag name equal to category ID. So this will be used when we are sending the data and saving it in the database. Save and let us check the output. Let us go to the add products tab and there's some error and category not found. Go to the controller and import that class. So what this simply does is you can just give it manually also. If you don't have this option, just give the path to your model. Okay, and refresh. Okay, it's done. Select a category, and this CSS is not loading because we have not linked this bootstrap in this thing. Okay, so what I have done is I have just taken this class name and created a custom CSS for this. Let's close that and you can check the output, refresh, and here it is. You have seen the categories we have got, right? So whatever category we are going to add the products in, we have to select that category over here and just put the products details. So we have many other fields like the original price, selling price for this, so we need to add that in this form. So I will just add that and get back. Here I have made all the details, the fields in this form, and I have added one more thing, guys. Here in this you can just add this slug in this database. I had just forgotten, I have added it over here, slug, and make sure you change it in the model also. Let's go and make it. So inside app http, here it is, app models product, copy and paste, say slug. Okay, close it, and I have already made the changes in the database migrations, and here I have already added this. Okay, save and let us check the output, how the form is appearing here. Okay, so name slug, this is the original price, selling price, quantity, and tax. We'll just check. So input type, the class is form control, right? We have not given that, that's why the design is not loading. Copy that and input type equal to number, paste it, save and refresh. Okay, it's done. So here only numbers it will accept, so if you press characters, not going to accept. Okay, so let us write the code to insert this quickly and go to the product controller, here itself. First make sure you have given this thing multi-part form data, and one of my subscriber had made a mistake in this and type, he has written as encrypt, so make sure you type this correctly or you are going to face issues in the future. And method is going to be post and CSRF token. Here let's say insert product, the URL is correct, just copy that and create a URL in the web.php file. Say route post and give it over here, insert product, comma, product controller class and the method name. So I'll say insert so copy this function name, go to the product controller function, here we are going to pass the request $request and we are going to create an object for this, product equal to new product. This is your model name. Okay, so you can see use app models and product. This is the product model. Here we say $products of image. So first let us check the image. So for the image we have a code, so let us just take it from the category category controller. Here you can see if request of has file, I'll just copy that and paste. So if it has file in the image, close this. Here you can see input type equal to file and name I have given image. So this name of that image tag you have to just paste it over here. So if there is a file, what we are going to do is just store that in this $file variable, get the extension, create a unique name for that file with the time and the extension. So move it to the folder called assets, uploads, products. So make it products, and here it's not going to be category of image, it is product of image. Okay, products of image, and let us create this path over here. You can see inside public you have assets, uploads. Inside the uploads folder we have a category folder here. So inside the uploads, let me create one more folder called products, hit enter, and inside the products you are going to store the products image. Okay, so this is done. So this will handle the image requests, and now we are going to store the data. $products of name equal to $request of input of the name tag. Okay, so copy and paste. So for all the fields you have to just give that. So I'll just complete this and get back. So I have taken all the input from that and stored it in this names, and directly let us go to save the product now. Say products of save. Okay, and after saving we are going to say return redirect to the products URL, and with the message say with say status and product added successfully. Save. Now let us test the code and refresh, and we'll select a category that will be electronics. Name I'm going to say Redmi Note 7 Pro, slug Redmi Note 7 Pro, small description, let us say MI 4 plus 64 GB mobile. Copy that and paste it. Snapdragon. Okay, and original price, let me put some amount. Selling price, tax, let us keep at 18%. Quantity 10. Status, it's not hidden, it's in trending, we'll just put yes. Meta keywords, meta title, that's going to be appear in the tab right over here. Okay, so Redmi Note 7 Pro, oops, meta keywords, just copy this thing and paste it, and description, just paste this thing and paste it here. Okay, so let us just choose files, and here I'll add this image, open and click submit, and product added successfully. Okay, and it has been fetched over here in the products tab. As you had seen in the previous, in the beginning we had copied the code from this category thing, right? So this details has been shown over here, but we have not changed the path, that's why it's showing a image here, or the all tags text over here. Let us go and change that. So it's in the index page, and here uploads products. Okay, so now this should work. Let us go and refresh. So here it is. So we have done this thing. In the further videos we'll see how to edit and update, edit and delete this thing. Okay, this is the previous thing for the category we had done, right? That code is working over here. So you can see here in the category index we had given this thing, so edit prod, by mistake I had given it, so let me make it edit category, copy and just paste it over here. Yeah, so this was for the edit category, so the same code is here in this page. So this is for the category, it's going to run for the category. Let me close this. Yeah, so this is our product page. Okay, inside the product folder it is. Let me just change this thing, say product page, save. So here it is, this thing is for the category, so I'll just remove that and put a hash symbol over there. So in the next video we'll see how to edit and delete this thing, save. So that's it in this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you once again.